Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing well. So today I'm going to share with you a quick, easy, healthy, delicious, inexpensive Mediterranean pasta dish. Takes under 10 minutes, 10 minutes or less, as long as you have the pasta ready. So I'm going to give you a tip about pasta once we start cooking. And then here's I have the sample made. Delicious. I can't wait to eat this. So anyway, without any further ado, let's get started cooking. So I'm going to introduce the ingredients that we need for this dish while I'm preparing it. But before we get to that, I mentioned that I have a tip for pasta to save you time. What I do, I cook a batch of these and I put them in Ziploc bags and I freeze them. So then when I come home, I don't have to deal with cooking pasta because I already have that ready. It's already ready already. So what I would do, I pull them out of the freezer like the night before and I leave them in the refrigerator so it will thaw in the refrigerator. That's the best practice. Or in the morning before you go to work. The second best option would be under cold running water in the colander. Put them in the colander under the sink, cold running water in your sink. Never ever microwave them because microwave will ruin them, overcooks them. Even defrost mode will do the same thing. And never under warm running water, so that does the same thing. So that's a tip for that. Anyway, so let's get going here. I'm starting with the oil. I got avocado oil. You can use your choice of oil. We're going to be a little generous here because I'm going to make a sauce out of that. So I got it on the medium high here, and then once it's ready, I'm going to start by cooking the asparagus. So I got about 8 stalk of asparagus chopped like in inch or so. So I'm going to start with that. So the reason we start with asparagus is because they take longer to cook. So they're the longest. And then we're going to add the mushrooms. So that's about 3-4 mushrooms. And then we're going to vigorously keep moving around so they cook even nicely and evenly. And then of course I got about 3 chopped garlic. I'm going to add that. And keep your eye on the oil because we want to keep the oil about the amount that we need to make the sauce. There, so keep it on the low. Now we're going to go on the low heat. Then I'm going to add half a teaspoon of paprika and add some other salt and pepper, just a touch. Just a dash of salt and pepper. There we go. And now we are going to add our chickpea. I got about 3 ounces of chickpea. Looking awesome. Low heat now. All right. So I'm going to add a little bit more oil again because we're getting close to adding the pasta. And we do not want to cook the pasta because the pasta is already cooked. We just want to heat them up. All right, now we're going to add our pasta. Make sure everything gets mixed well. There we go. We're going to medium-high heat. So barely we're going to heat this up. So after a minute or so, what we want to do again, make sure it's not going to be overcooking. You're not overcooking the pasta. We're just going to add the half a cup of cherry tomatoes, halves. They cut in half, and just barely 30 seconds for this. You don't want to really cook the tomatoes either. We just want to give them a little bit of heat. And there you go, folks. It's ready. There we go. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put some feta cheese, crumbled feta cheese on it, and finish it with parsley, fresh parsley. And there you have it, folks. As you can see, our dish is ready. Looks beautiful, tastes amazing, very vibrant, tasty, healthy, and it didn't really take us even 10 minutes to make this. This is my go-to for myself when I want to have a pasta dish, no meat. This is the one I usually make. I also have made this for guests many times. Very easy. Very inexpensive, very inexpensive. This didn't even cost me, I don't know, maybe this probably not even $5. You can double, triple it, you know, the recipe for more people. And my, you know, every time I have this from my companies, they said this is better than a 5-star Italian restaurant, and I agree. I agree because I have had pasta dishes in, you know, top-notch Italian restaurants have been kind of disappointing, but you know, it is what it is. And you know, and this didn't cost me a big chunk of change either. So this is definitely can be one of your top recipes to make for yourself, guests. You know, for the reason that I mentioned. You can always add more protein to it, like chicken, shrimp, salmon. A vegan option for this would be vegan pasta. There are available like chickpea based and there are several other kind. So they're easy to find. They're just a little bit more expensive. And then just delete the feta cheese. So then that's all pretty much vegan friendly as well. So go ahead and make this vibrant Mediterranean pasta dish for yourself for tonight and let me know how it went. I'm eager to know. Anyway, I would like to thank you for your time for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the recipe, and if you did, as always, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel, and that way you won't miss my future videos and also motivates me to make more videos like this for you. Also, please leave me a comment down below the comment section if you have any comments, any question about this recipe or any recipe. Please go and ask away. I have 2 more recipes coming this week, and I'm working 2, if not 2, definitely 1. And I'm looking forward to catch you on those videos. Until then, stay healthy and stay crafty.